I would use my drill, but I don't know where it is. I can't find it for some reason. All you guys will need is a 14, and I have it on my 3/8 ratchet. Yep. So don't pull it out all the way. Break this one loose. Then you want to break the bottom one. Pry that back. There you go. Just rest that right there. Now there's going to be 2 bolts in the back here. Both 14s. Jeez. There you go. Now it's loose. All right. Take this off. I don't know, my ratchet keeps like, yeah, it's like dead. It's pretty much dead. So I'll just use it for this, and then the rest will do by hand. Okay, so there's a break. So yeah, guys, I was doing this my driver's side yesterday, and the issue I was having was I couldn't get the actual caliper, the pad to like fit onto this, right? So the issue with that is you have to grind all of this down. So that was my issue on that side. If you seen my brakes yesterday, I should have took a picture, but these were like very like rusted out, and then the rust was so thick that it like came up on both the top and the bottom. So the problem with my pads on that side, on the driver's side, was that it wouldn't move. It got stuck because of the all the rust buildup. So um, with this one, I don't think I'll have to clean it too much. I'll just give it a little nice grinding with my grinder, and then that should be okay. But it was like on the other side, it was literally like this high up. So it was like a big ass like gap like this. So I couldn't fit anything. So I had to like take sanding paper, grind it down, and it ended up working out because you want your pads to slide freely back and forth, right? When they're on the when they're mounted, you want them to go back in and out easy, right? And then I'm gonna also clean these out too, so you could see the difference between the pads. See how much this one is like way worse compared to this one. So yeah, the pads basically got stuck. It basically got stuck in the like the grooves where the metal the metal is because there was so much rust buildup, and because of that, it wouldn't slide anymore. So either it was like squeezing on this the whole time, or like when I be driving, it would just hold on to this like this, right? Not with full pressure, but still like it's just premature pad wear, right? So that's what happened. That's why these pads are so low compared to my passenger side. So okay. So you can see this one is it's not. There's nothing wrong with it. The pads still had plenty of life. I wouldn't say plenty, but you know, it wasn't as bad as the other side. The only thing I'm missing is I need a wire brush. I don't have a wire brush. I don't have a wire brush, so I'm gonna use like the dish metal scraper thing, because that's all I have. When you guys do this, make sure you guys have a whole bunch of brake cleaner, because you don't want to be cheap on it. If you don't clean this, then you can cause vibration. It can cause some vibration in the hub. So just get it as smooth as you can. And then also when you're spraying, what I like to do is I spray it down. So if there is any debris, it goes straight down. Instead of spraying it like this, spray it down so it all just drips down. That's why I put this mat here. or this cardboard. You don't really need to clean this, but I don't want so much rust buildup. So I just have one of these. I got it from Canadian Tire. It was like 10 bucks, I think. You get a new old pad, and then you just twist, and you're just literally pushing the piston back in. To make this easier for yourself, open this, then you open this. Okay. And then what you also should do is you put some rags around here just in case it overflows, because you don't want brake fluid everywhere. So you just put it around. Make sure nothing goes inside. Just in case if it were to overflow, it wouldn't like go everywhere, because I think brake fluid's corrosive. Keep that open, and then just you can close your hood, to be honest. And then now we continue what we were doing. See how it's compressing? So you guys missed it. My phone ended up dying, but all I did was clean up everything. So just make sure when you grab the rotor, you don't touch the actual face. You just grab the sides. And then I got some brake cleaner, and then a clean rag. Wipe both sides, so the front and the back. And then when you put on these screws, make sure you don't really need them, but I just put them on because what the hell. And you don't really need them though, but when you put them on, just don't go too tight, because you don't want to like have an issue the next time when you go to change them. So yeah. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go clean off this caliper bracket, and then also I'm gonna clean off these bolts. So I'll go show you guys that right now. I'm gonna take these out. These are the slider pins. You also want to make sure these are clean. Just gotta get loose. This one's definitely like stiff. Oh my gosh, it's like stuck in there. Cause I don't want to tear these boots. There we go. There we go. All right. So just take some brake cleaners. Clean these off. Spray it on this one. I might as well just give it a little wire brush on it too. Just why not? Just on the, like right here. I'll do it right here. Good. Spread it around all over. Okay, good. That's it. Just pop in. So I'll put a little brake grease from here, up here, and on the other side. It slides. See how it slides? It should slide in and out like this without any issues. Oh fuck, I took it out. So it should slide like this, just like that. That's what you want. If you have to force it in, then that means you need to clean down more of this, the actual bracket, because there's too much rust buildup. But that's cool. You just squeeze this together, and then it just sits inside. I'm gonna put some brake grease right here. It just fits like that. And then all you gotta do is get your bolts, the smaller bolts. Hold this in. Just get one in first. And you get the other side. Just tight enough. You don't want to over tighten anything. That's why it's always better to use hand tools, because power tools, you never know. That's good. Okay. Yeah, and that's it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the video. Just don't forget to close this back now. So just take this out, take that out, and then close this back.